Here you go, you've got the 2009 Indian Chief vintage model. This is vintage number 31. In other words, this is the 31st Indian Chief vintage model produced for 2009 with the new Indian Motorcycle Company. Do a little walk around here. You can see the distinctive fringed saddlebags in the standard tan color. This bike is a Navajo Turquoise and Winter White. Right now we've got the solo saddle with the grab rail installed. There is a optional passenger pillion seat that goes on that I have that's easily bolted on. You can see the distinctive Indian Power Plus 105 V twin. And there's the Indian Headlight. It's an LED light. And I'll show you that in a minute. And you've got your full windshield. I've installed an optional windshield saddlebag type leather device, and also you can see that I've got a cup holder installed as well. This bike has the rubber mounted floorboards, 105 cubic inch or 1720 cc engine. You can see the vintage logo on the front fender. Okay, and we'll power up here our electronic LED display. See, right now the bike's in neutral. You see the oil light on. Another closer look at that windshield bag. And we'll take a look at the Indian up front. There he is. And we have our distinctive chrome tips on our fenders on the front and the back of the front fender. It has Brembo dual discs up front and a single Brembo in the rear. It's got a 2-in-1 exhaust with closed loop electronic fuel injection. It's got a 6-speed Baker transmission. Borrowed from the Gilroy Indian vintage years the horn cover. You can see here, got a big distinct teardrop shaped headlight. And there you have it, the 2009 Indian Chief vintage, made in North Carolina, Kings Mountain.